How to level up CEO in Hamster Combat. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So launch your Hamster Combat application. This is the interface you will get. Then you just have to tap on the hamster and you will get the coins. This might not be the most efficient way to do so, but this is one of the way for sure. But if you want to get like 1000 coins, you will get ad videos, you can watch them and get your reward. Well, as you can see, I got my coins increased by 1000 when I watched it. So yeah, this is pretty much the way. But if you can also purchase coins using real money. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.